Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Tina at Life in the Piedmont. We are back in our kitchen today and I am so excited to be here because we are going to be making something about fall. And this is part of an open collaboration hosted by Angela, the Inquisitive Farm Wife. And this is called Pumpkin Palooza. And so today I wanted to bring you along and show you what I'm going to be making using our pumpkin. So for this recipe, you are gonna need 1 can of pumpkin puree, 1 box of vanilla pudding, and this is the 5-ounce package, 1 large container of 16-ounce Cool Whip, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. So the first thing you're gonna do, this is how easy it's gonna come together. Whoops, it's gonna take you less than 5 minutes, unless you're me and are dropping things. You're gonna put your pumpkin puree in there. And I'm gonna add my teaspoon of pumpkin spice right now. I always do a little more because why not? And then you're gonna dump in 1 package of your vanilla pudding. Let's just mix this together really quick and fold that in together. There we go. Just incorporate all that together. And then we're gonna get our whipped cream out. Sorry. And we are going to put all that in here. All right, then we're just gonna take this and gently fold over, just like I'm doing. You don't need to stir it, but you can just incorporate and fold over, just like I'm doing until it's all incorporated together. And there you have it. It is all done. I did add an extra teaspoon of the pumpkin spice on here because I felt that it needed just that little extra kick. And you can whip this up ahead of time. It can sit in your refrigerator. And one of the ways to eat it is you take an apple, like I have here. I already made myself a plate. Dip it. It's so delicious. But not just apples. You can get ginger snaps and use to dip in here. You can get just like a shortbread cookie and dip in here. You can use any type of apple that you want to dip in and serve it as a dessert. If you don't do pies, then you can make this up and serve it for dessert. Or if you have been invited somewhere and need to bring something, this would make the easiest and most perfect side dish to bring. So there you go, friends. This is Pumpkin Fluff. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm so happy that Angela decided to do something about pumpkin. So make sure you go check out the playlist on her channel. It is an open collaboration. So if you're a creator and want to join in, come join in on the fun. Pumpkin Palooza 25. So that's all there is for today, friends. I will see you on my next video. Have a great day. Be blessed.